Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering here to show you how to install the skid plate on the CRF250 models. Okay, so step number one is going to be removing that stock skid plate. There's going to be two mounting bolts here on the front. That's an 8mm wrench, so just go ahead and remove both of those. Hook here. The hook's going to go on the back of the skid plate mounted up to these two holes. So then you're going to take two of the flathead bolts, thread them through on the bottom side. You're only going to want to get them started just maybe a thread or two, that way it holds on, but don't go past that. So as you can see, I've got them pretty loose. Then you're going to go up to the bike, and that hook's going to go above the back frame rail. And this is where you can take the front skid plate strap with the notches that'll rest up against the frame. Set that behind, and then with the 250, since this header pipe comes down, you'll just want to get this bolt started now before you slide it up, because you're not going to be able to get it in after that because the pipe will be in the way. Okay, now that we've got the front straps bolts in there loose, those are loose, and then the rear hook is loose. Now you can push up on the skid plate to get it into position, and then right where the OEM mounts were, you can take two of the 6x16 bolts, thread through the skid plate right into the frame tabs. Okay, we've got all 6 bolts started, 2 in the strap, 2 into the frame tabs, and then 2 into the hook. So now the skid plate's just loose. So go ahead and press up on the bottom, holding it tight to the frame, and go ahead and take an 8mm and tighten these middle mounting bolts tight. Then go through, you have a 4mm that you'll tighten the hook, and then we'll tighten these last. Okay, so we're going to take the 4mm Allen wrench, we're just going to tighten that rear hook, both of these bolts. Okay, last to tighten is these front strap bolts. So just press on the back of the strap in there against the frame, and then tighten these down all the way that you can by hand. And then since that header pipe is in the way, you're going to want to use a combination wrench, 10mm, and tighten it down. Alright, that's how you install the skid plate on the current CRF250 models, both the R and the RX models. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit our website, enduroeng.com, to order some today.